Magic 89.9.
Hello, you guys.
Hi guys.
Hello!
Hello. Kamusta? How you guys been? What have you been up to lately?
Actually, kakagaling lang po namin sa gig kagabi din.
So, puyat pa kayo?
So wala pa kayong tulog?
Meron naman.
Sa biyahe.
Medyo gana.
Okay, so how has it been for you guys? What was the gig? Where was the gig? Tell us about it.
Diyan lang sa Cubao.
Sa tabi-tabi.
Sa tabi-tabi. 70s Bistro. Kasama namin Lee Jun and Off to Neverland.
Oh my gosh,
Gotis
kasama nyo
World.
si Aika rin?
And Levi.
Ay, no, that was the other, pala, iba yan. Ibang
We are big fans
Dami
of
kasi,
Jun.
like
Best
kasi
friend ni
QC
JJ yun eh.
Like kasi
Nax.
Oh, best friend lang.
Best friend
Best friend lang.
Hindi umubra.
Best friend lang.
You guys are called Leona, right? Pero
Yes po.
where is Leona here? Or why
Is
is it
Leona a
Leo?
person?
Oh,
A
is Leona
figment
a
of our
person?
imagination?
Is Leona a concept?
It started out with Leon or Lion para lang... Tama. So para lang may strength yung name. And also, no, at first, lang kami, puro lang kami guys. Tapos naisipan namin na mag-add ng... Hindi kasi talaga din ako...
Sa Leon.
Yeah.
Exactly.
You know, a lot of times it really is just that, di ba? Wala na siyang deeper meaning to it. But strength, yun yung parang
yes.
nyo as a driving force as a band. Okay, this one is so random. Medyo kawig mo si Khalil.
Yun.
Yun ang pangarap
Lumapit
niyang
din kay
marinig.
James Reid.
Kailan kaya dadating ang Gabby Garcia ng buhay niya?
Yun, wala. I just had to point that out. Okay, you're just four now, but you're technically a six-piece
Yes.
band, indie pop rock. Could you walk us through the first time na you decided or na kayo ay magbanda without
Oo nga naman.
Ano ko pa paiigsiin? Parang 6 years paiigsiin ko ng isang Nag-start kaming dalawa ni Ace sa may label kami na parang unofficial label, something ganun. Tapos sila, kabanda niya, sila. May banda sila. Tapos after nun parang naghahanap pala sila ng vocalista. Tapos parang doon ako pumasok.
Sakto.
Yun, sakto. Tapos habang nag-bar gigs kami, yung mga simula namin na years, hindi ko talaga kaya kung kumanta ng sunod-sunod na kanta na 4 hours, 5 hours na diretso. So, nag-recruit kami ng ng biretera ng taon, si Ariana Grande. Grabe yan.
Ako mag-expect siya.
Actually, now I had a sneak peek kasi lumabas ka nun eh. And totoo nga.
Totoo.
Grabe. Pwede ka papasok ang pinsan. And
Si Steve Lacy nga eh.
Actually, did you guys know Steve Lacy? Apparently, tatay niya pala yung Pinoy. So when he had his concert here, it was also like a reunion. Wala lang,
Sumasayaw
share
na
ko
siya
lang.
ng TikTok trends ng Pampilipinas.
So malay nyo, may kamag-anak kayong si Bruno Mars.
Oh,
Yung
totoo.
ganun.
Yeah,
Malay
but
mo,
with the band, you guys have been together for 6 years, you said. When did you guys decide na it was time? When did you guys decide to have a certain sound as Leona? Kailan nabuo yung sound nyo that really defined yourselves as a band?
We were always good at writing songs. Kumbaga ba, kung saan dalhin nung lyrics yung kanta tsaka nung melody, yun yung sinusunod namin. Wala kaming specific na, meron naman kaming mga specific na genre na mararami na yun yung nasusulat. Pero mostly, kung saan papunta yung kanta, kung ano yung hinihingi ng kanta, doon kami nagde-direct.
Okay, so speaking of amazing songs, you have 2 songs for us today. So let's talk about the first one, which was released in late February 27, I think. That one was Isang Sandali Pa. So walk us through it. How was the process of writing the song? What was the inspiration for the song as well?
Actually, tungkol siya sa lost pet ni Ace.
Oh,
Yeah, isang sandali pa. Yung song na yun is about parang asking ka pa for one moment na makasama yung alaga mo. So, ayun siya.
what was the name of your pet?
Tanggol.
May pangil.
Nakahilera siya sa mga ni Coco. Ganun yun.
Mahilig kasi siya manood.
Anong breed?
Oo nga.
French Bulldog.
Sabi ni, I was like, it's either an American Bully or a French Bulldog. May ganun siyang tanggol.
Ilang taon na siya?
1 year and a half, ganun.
Ang aga, ang bilis naman nawala nung...
I feel bad for laughing tuloy.
Iyak kasi.
Hindi kasi, namatay na ako ng aso eh.
Ako
Okay
din,
lang, may pass ako.
Oo nga, may pass din na tayo na nasa, pwede kang tumawa. But okay, so that one was written for a song. How did you change it in such a way na it would relate to a lot of people in terms of relationships naman? Kasi, I mean, yes, with dogs, but also it can be told about people and relationships. So how did that work out for you guys?
Actually, kung i-generalize siya, pwede din naman siya sa parang someone na hindi naging kayo. Pwede din ganun. Tapos parang humihingi ka pa ng moment na parang, di ba close tayo? Ay, di ba akala ko crush mo ako, kaso 1 week lang yata na crush mo ako eh. Ganun, parang,
Crush mo ba yun?
Pinagdadaanan.
Infatuation.
Parang hindi kasi nasasabi.
Yung sad boy bangs mo, lumalabas.
Pero I think din siya about parang acceptance and letting go. Di ba ganun? Pag may nawala sa'yo, wala, you have to let go eh. Parang ganun. So acceptance din siya.
Oh, and also we have another song released later in the year, which was around July naman. Am I pronouncing it right? Retsina?
yes po.
Okay, what is that one about? I'm sorry, baka hindi malalim Tagalog ko. Is Retsina a word, a name? What is it?
It's a name of a wine.
Oh, okay.
Parang wine brand siya or basta wine keme.
Old wine.
Ganon.
Okay,
Ayan, so
what was the song about? How did you guys get to naming it that way?
Yung song tungkol siya sa sa parang nanlalamig na pag-ibig. Tungkol siya sa nasa relationship kayo. Pero parang nanlalamig na parang hindi siya nag-work out. Nandun na sa sitwasyon na parang tutuloy pa ba natin to? Ano pa ba to? Safe pa ba tong pagsasama natin?
Is it still worth it? Ganyan.
No, worth it pa ba?
Falling apart na siya.
Ayun, ganon.
Relationship.
It's like by the edge of the cliff ba? Ganun.
Yes.
per se.
Pero sila pa rin. Yan.
Tapos, the song tackles about different ways on how you can cope up with pain.
Kaya,
so, millions
alak
doon na.
yung-
Oo, kasi di ba meron
Yes.
gano'n na pag kunwari na nasaktan ka, ganyan, inom tayo, ganyan.
Oo, the typical
Ganun,
Pinoy
iiyak
na
ka lang,
oo.
parang gano'n. So, dun...
Tapos 3 shots in, bakit? Ganun, hindi, di ba?
Tatlong tequila pa lang.
This is me, one shot.
One shot pa lang,
This is me,
ano,
one shot.
agad,
Oo,
agad.
ganun, umiyak na agad. Nahina pa lang.
So is this a personal track? O pinagdadaan mo ba to? Or sa, ikaw ba rin ba yung isang, kayo rin ba yung type of songwriters na meron kayong friend na pinagdadaanan gano'n, tapos parang, uy, sulat ako nga yung experience niya, ganyan.
Minsan ganun siya. And very naman kami. Nagtutulong-tulong naman kami in terms of songwriting tsaka sa mga ideas kung ano yung mga pwedeng
So siya shared experience ba to?
Yes,
Wow.
yes, mga ganun.
Parang we write
Collective
what we
trauma.
go through din. Parang,
Collective trauma yung nakain. May pinagdadaanan.
actually, kaya pag pinakinggan niyo yung discography namin, parang iba-iba siya.
Kanya-kanya. Trauma ni
Parang
ano
mula sa
to.
pets, agad, ito po, kaya na to. Ay,
Pero may mga masasaya din. May panggala, may pang crush mo nung college or high school. Ganun siya, may mga ganun siya.
All of the emotions of growing up and, growing older as in life. And we're very excited to hear these songs of you guys. And without further ado, we have Leona inside the Magic Studio. You're still listening to today's best music. We're Magic 89.9.
Dumating ka sa aking buhay. Bawat araw puno ng saya't kulay. Ngayon ay tahimik na ang iyong mundo, ngunit puso ko'y kasama mo. Ang mga mata mong tila may kwento ng tapang at pag-ibig na tunay. Isang sandali pa ang aking hiling, pahabain mo lang kahit konting sandali upang muling mayakap. Ang sa buhay ko'y nagbigay ng wakas at sigla at ligaya.
Gamot at dasal, lahat ay sinubukan. Luha ko'y ulan sa iyong kama, ngunit ngiti mo'y di nawala kailanman. Tila sinasabi, mahal, ayos lang. Di ba ang aking hiling? Pahabain mo lang kahit kaunting sandali upang muling mayakap. Ang sa buhay ko'y nagbigay ng wagas at sigla at ligaya. Sandali, hinawakan ko ang iyong munting kamay. Narinig kong bulong ng langit. Salamat, ako'y payapa na. Mahal kong kaibigan, isang sandali pa, ngunit sapat na pala ang oras na sa muli sa langit ng mga tala. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Lumilipas ang mga dahilan. Malapit na ba kung ayawan? Ibalik ng dati pagmamahalan natin. Lumilipas ang ating panahon. Nagbabagong mga sitwasyon. Pagmamahal mo sa akin parang upos na hinangin. Tingnan natin ba't di ay nagbabaga, pati mga kasama natin dati ay humahangat, kinikilig. Bakit ngayon? Sana nga'y maibalik
once again, that one was Leona inside the Magic Studio. You're still listening to the home stretch. Grabe, napaka-humble naman natin dun sa Biritera.
Ano siya, no? Ariana, grabe! No, but it's taking me back to like a very 2000s, early 2000s, pag sabi ko sa early 2000s, parang ang layo na eh, no?
Malayo naman, 16 years, 26 years.
Sige,
16.
rub it in. 20 years ago.
Yeah.
Oo, na ganung klaseng rock, and it's so refreshing to hear it again and making waves throughout the 2020s. Grabe, shot puno ng Retsina.
No, also,
Hindi siya
it's one of those types of songs because I feel like we hear so many artists now na yung pabulong lang. Yung pabulong lang, pero this one parang talagang karamay ko siya sa inuman ko. Ganun yung dala
this
ng
is acoustic,
kanta.
ano? I'm assuming na masanay kayo with like a full setup na when performing.
Yes, actually.
Was this the first time na pure acoustic?
Yes.
Really, it does not seem like the first time. I felt like I'm seeing 3 guitars in the studio, but it felt like there was drums, there was bass, there was an electric guitar in there somewhere.
Oh.
And I kept trying to figure out who was playing certain parts on the guitar. Kasi it's one of the sounds na when I listen to music or when I listen to songs, yun yung hinahanap kong type ng pagigitara. Sobrang
Sakto umuulan ngayon, tapos nasa bus ka, nakatingin lang sa bintana, ganon. Tas,
ingat po pala sa mga
Ingat po sa biyahe.
nagmamaneho na nakikinig sa amin.
baka tulala na.
It's gonna be okay.
Okay, it's time to do some promotions. Where can people find you? Social media accounts, where can they stream your music? And if you have any upcoming gigs, now's the time for you to promote them.
Pwede nyo kaming mahanap sa Facebook, sa YouTube, sa Instagram, sa Spotify, at Leona Music PH. Type nyo lang sa search bar nyo, Leona, makikita nyo na kami doon. Doon nyo rin makikita yung mga kulitan namin, yung mga contents namin. Tsaka sa Spotify din namin, nandun din lahat ng mga kanta namin. Para balanse naman, di lang siya puro malungkot, may masaya din, may panggala din, may pang-crush din, at yun din, pang-sakitan din. Pag
Para siyang peak universal Filipino experience, no?
Yes.
Of all points in life.
For any moment, you have Leona with you.
Yes.
Naman. Oo. Leona, extra na yan. Well, thank you so much, you guys, for coming on to the show. We truly had the most wonderful time. And thank you so much for serenading us. Once again, we're going to have press play in just a little bit. And if you missed the interview, you can find it on kick.com/magic899TV, as well as on YouTube. That is Magic899TV as well. More music coming your way right after these Moneymakers.
Magic 89.9.